Ayinangivele mina guys ngiyavuka sekuseni lapha enhleka ngivuka already sengiphakathi kwe-Uber yami ushingwenyangweni. Silibhekise Elomelo Kiddies Saloon. Phela guys nazo-ke izindaba ezishasha senginomshana omusha sha. Ningamangali nimbona thukiwe phela guys ngicela ukum-adopta so I understand ukuthi ngiyamtshontsha or njani. Ngizamile ukumchera up lapha ngimkhombisa icamera. Ngamuzwa Uncle Goodwill where are we going? Ey ngathi umuntu uzoba nenkinga lana kanti lo muntu ukhuluma English mina bengicabanga ukuthi ukhuluma iSpanish at least besizozwana. Hayi khona ngathi umuntu uzoba nenkinga enkulu kakhulu ngathi kumele ngimjikise kusakhaya. Fast bese sesifikile lapha eKiddies Saloon. Yabona mos ngimtreata njengo Queen Elizabeth ngimvulela nomnyango. Wena since wazalwa kwaba uye bakile bakuvulela umnyango mara ode ongithi bakuvulela umnyango uthwena ukugibela itaxi irathe erenkeni umnyango ngakhona ukuvuleka. Yabona ngabe ujolana nomuntu onemoto but akakuvulela umnyango ayishema uhlukanga nabantu abajolela nathi aboJohnny Walker. But if ujolana nomuntu ohamba ngepolo ngiya understand lapha ngikakhona ukukuvulela umnyango. Phela mangathi upractice lento okuvula umnyango yes sishuta ngawuvula ubusuku nemina ngaza vele ipotre. Angisho bathi laba bamapolo bajolana nani nga44. Ey angazi nami ngizwe bathi fast bese sisiphakathi lapha esaluni ngathi yazini I think beku baby girl lana sotsha ngama toys mangiyocheck ukuthi umqino onjani. Yo mara guys Elomelo isizile ngokuvula ibranch la neMiddelburg. Yes umuntu bekuyomele nje atravel eWitbank just for ukuqinisa umntwana. Manje njengoba sayila neMiddelburg sona seyiseduze kakhulu vele unikeza ithotla lakhe 13 rand iligibela itaxi lozichinela. eWitbank kudala-ke banayo ke lesaluni yabantwana mara into abangidisappointa yona every time angifike eWitbank ngithola amathotla agqoka amakhazer. Umntwana una 3 years guys ikhazer ekhanda kanjani. Fast bese sengiqedile ukhetha isaluni lapha basho bathatha ubaby girl sebomgeza ikhanda. Uyabona lana aba professional ke nabamane badumela ikhanda lomntwana balichine without ukuligeza. Uyabona bagcoka uniform sakusika sisidudu lononichina agcoka igawuni epink enukukhunta kwasemantshini namanje. Sisi muhlu girl shem uyabona sebamgezile lapha bamgqokise neduku. Bukani ukuthi lemfanela kanjani ayilana umshana ngathi kumele azibambele nani niyabona guys. Safety first baba yabona lapha sebamfaka isafety belt niyabazi musa abantwana banjani ngamthola sekawile so lana ba make sure ukuthi umntwana ngeke azithole sekavutha kwapha. Especially mawindoda umikisa umntwana esaluni lapha abuye sekane ping pong angikakholwe sho mama yakhe ukuthi umntwana uwile isaluni esitulweni. Uyozwa ngomuntu osekakuthethisa lapha athi ya vele wenze ngamabomo wena kudala ngibona ukuthi ufuna ngibulalela umntwana. Hawu mara ungafuna ubulala umntwana njani kubeni nawe umntwana wakho ayabafazi bane drama yona. And lapho hayi ukuthi uzabakwatela ukuthi umntwana une ping pong kahle uzabakwatela ukuthi wena uthethe imali yakho yokuqinisa umntwana yena kumele aqhubeka agqokele iweave wamthengela yona 2008. Ayilana vele bese sesisendleleni sinoshingwenya lapha shaya around esitolo siyothenga ukudla. Niyazi mos mahamba noshingwenya kumele kudliwe kuze abe ne-energy yokudrive. Fast masifika lapha sithole bathengisa ama-Boerewors roll. Yes ngawagcina nini ngawagcina ngisafunde primary sawabiza ngama hot dog. Ngagcina lapho ukuyidla cause bengicabanga ukuthi vele inenyama yenja waye bathi hot dog. Ey ngathi isindwe izinyawo lana sithole ngathi sekusele vele ivoro seyi1. Ayisithi siyabuzabuza lapha badayi ningawari nina odani sizonilungisela. Mara guys what if lento le the reason why bebathi hot dog is because vele beyinenyama ye-pitbull. Maye babona ukuthi siyajumpa bayichange igama bathi Boerewors roll. Nimbonile mos ukuthi ushingwenye ufobela kangakanani. Fast bese sesendleleni lapha sibuyele esaluni. Ayivele ushingwenye shawa wayivala ke yakheke mfana hot dog akafuna ukufika lapha esaluni umshana omusha athi mayume can I please have a piece. Seniyabona ukuthi ushingwenye yancishana shembo uncishana abantwana abancane so ayivele mase sesibuya lapha sithola sekunabanye abashana abafikile ayisebenzile safika eli kakhulu lana kusho kona ukuthi bisugcine sisithola sesimi line elide. Sengine addiction eshasha icoke sengiyekile shem sengiziphuzele lemon twist. Hey ngizwile bayakhala ngecoke yongibathi ibulala umshini wami. So vela ngifuna ukuzithola ngipart of the gang lene fellow umshini. Imagine seyuthi nyawudumisa umshini uthi next cho ubaby girl we-enjoy yakho ukuchina ke shem next ukutefa. Ngiyazi nawe uyahalela ukuletha umntwana wakho maye ngoba uyamazi ukuthi uyadedesa uyokhala kuze kubarase ceiling lana esaluni. Manje relax kena lana kule saluni lena baphethe ama-professional umntwana utefaka bayazi ukuthi kumele bamyenzeni. Ungafunga ukuthi babuye ifundele eDubai lento yokudlalisa abantwana. Niyambona lo ihlezi lapha bekathi uyatefa lapha bavele bam-adjusta kayi 2 kayi 3 gcine sekathulile azidlalela amagame. Elomelo is where they make a time magical experience for kids. Their salon is designed with fun and comfort in mind, featuring vibrant colors, playful decor, and a team of talented stylists who are passionate about making your little one feel like a royal. From trendy trims to stylish shades, they work with you to create a look that is unique as your child. Niyazi mos ukuthi kubalekile ingane ukuthi ibe unique ungayitholi sefana neziyizingane ngathi lo Christmas wakashumayo. They offer a wide range of services to cater your hair needs such as cornrows, needle cornrows, knotless braids, box braids, freehand singles, relaxers, blowout, cornrows, undo, and many more. Their services are not only limited for kids. Nawe nobudala bakho ungeza uzoqhina. Buka nje ukuthi lo mqhino lona muhle kangakanani. Yiwo-ke lo mqhino ufuneka ngaphansi ke-weave man installile. Ingathi i-weave mayiphuma nge-mistake lapha izinwele sizithole zibheke phezulu ngathi uboya be-pitbull. Fast bese sebaqedile lapha ngo-baby girl sebamfaka izispray zakhona ukuthi anuke nice. Awu phela bengeke baqaleke bangamyenzi i-baby hair bengingamaneke ivalweke le salon. A baby hair on a baby. Ladies mantombazane, if uyazazi ukuthi awukwazi ukuyenza i-baby hair, i-Yellow Melo Salon ikhona for wena. Ungaforce shem because izinto enisivelela ngaze bomnandini hawa umhlolo wodwa shem. Angikhona understand ukuthi ama-baby hair wena uyayenza ngama-cyanide liquid or ngani because basentshayiva kakhulu umuntu uvela amagwebu. Ngiyabona ukuthi kumnandi kangakanani mara abazali lana a-Yellow Melo. Umntwana makaqeda ukuqhina lapho uzitholele i-snack pack. Maybe wena usesebhizi usaqhina, umntwana uhlala phansi uyadla lapha or uyacry. Stay connected with Yellow Melo on social media for the latest updates. Behind the scenes, fun and adorable hair transformation at Yellow Melo Kiddies Salon on all social media platforms, or visit their branches in Middelburg and Witbank. Mangithi xa nangi ushingwenya lapho bangisa umntwana ama-toys. Ngiyabona labantu laba bakhule ngeenkadi zakudala shema zanke babathengisa ama-toys bebashovistina mayise kadlalisa abantwana abancane kabuhlungu lapha ema-toysini wabo. At Yellow Melo Salons, they accommodate both walk-ins and appointments. Walk-ins are welcome Monday to Saturdays, while appointments are recommended for Sundays. Plus, feel free to drop off your little one and run errands while their teams works their magic on their hairstyle. Exciting news for barbers and nails technicians. Yellow Melo offers rental space for professionals looking for setup shop. Contact them for more information on availability and more details. They also have a vacancy for skilled hairdressers in the Middelburg area. If you are passionate about delivering top-notch hair services, don't miss out. Contact them to learn more and apply.